Hi everybody, Alexys from Team SG here, and this is 10 things that you need to know about rose quartz. Now, rose quartz is a pink form of quartz. Please don't forget to subscribe if you would like to join our magical community. Rose quartz is agape, and agape is universal, unconditional, and spiritual love for self, others, and all of creation. Rose quartz raises the vibration of peace and love in your space, dissolves negative energies. Let me tell you something. It's really hard to feel unhappy when you have this stone in your personal space. It's just such a sweet little tender crystal. Rose quartz is not a difficult crystal to get. It is pretty common, which doesn't make it any less special, but it also means there's no reason for you to not have it in your crystal collection. This is a must-have for all crystal healers and crystal collectors. It grows in Brazil, Madagascar, India, South Africa, and the United States. Since it is a form of pink quartz, it's a 7 on the Mohs hardness scale. Now, if you remember, the hardest mineral on the Mohs hardness scale is a diamond, and that comes in at a 10. It is the only mineral that's a 10. Rose quartz is a 7, so it's up there. It's pretty sturdy. It's pretty durable. I have a few forms of rose quartz to show you here. This right here, this is a classic rose quartz. It has that light pink hue. This is about the shade that you'll find most rose quartz to be in. I love this piece. This one is one of my favorite pieces. This is actually a form of blue rose quartz. If you look at them side by side, this is a little bit bluer, and that is because blue rose quartz, it's said that it gets its blue color because it grows closely to blue beryl, which is aquamarine. And if you don't know much about aquamarine, I actually have another video that you can watch right here where I showed you the top 10 things about aquamarine as well. The crystal system of rose quartz is hexagonal. And the interesting thing about hexagonal crystals is that they're all classed as uniaxial, which means that light travels through the crystal at different speeds in different directions, which I think is really, really cool. And that is why some forms of quartz have the star on them and others do not. This one is also a blue rose quartz. You can see in that light, this one also has a star. I'm obsessed with star rose quartz, but you can see that blue shade right there. And then this is more of a classic pink rose quartz as well, but it's also a star rose quartz. So, oh yeah, there's the star. You see it? You can see all 6 points of it. It's so pretty. So the chakra that it corresponds to is the heart chakra. So this is going to open you to love and to letting other people in. It's going to heal your relationships. It's going to help you love yourself even more. And I'm a little Pisces, so that's why I really love heart chakra stones. The astrological correspondences of rose quartz are Libra and Taurus, and that is because both Libra and Taurus are ruled by Venus, and Venus is the planet of love. So if I have convinced you that you need a little bit of my friend rose quartz here in your life, you can find them on sagegoddess.com. We have blue rose quartz, we have pink rose quartz, we have it in many different forms for you to select from. So head on over to sagegoddess.com and add one to your collection today. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to subscribe if you would like to join our magical community. If you want to hear more about a different crystal, please comment it in the section below so that we can see your requests and we will make it happen for you. Bye!